India Today is continuing coverage. The Prime Minister's road show in his parliamentary constituency, Varanasi. The Prime Minister is on a 5-kilometer long road show. It started at the Banaras Hindu University, the Lanka Gate, where he garlanded the statue of Mahamna Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Now he's en route. The Assi Ghat will travel all the way to the Kashi Vishwanath Dham. He'll pray there and then file his nomination papers tomorrow. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's team of reporters on Ground Zero. Piyush Mishra, Paulami Saha and Abhishek Mishra join us live. And Piyush, if I could quickly come to you. Now, each stop of the Prime Minister's 5-kilometer long roadshow has a special significance for Kashi over centuries. So each stop has been very carefully chosen. Not that the Prime Minister stops, but wherever those people are there, the stages have been set. There is a significance, whether it's the Assi Ghat on one side or the other ones on either way, all along the entire route. Piyush, can you hear me? Okay, perhaps
yes, Rahul,
Piyush.
Yes, Gaurav, I can hear you.
Go ahead.
There's a lot of noise. Yes, Gaurav, I can hear you. Right now, I'm present here at Gadolia Chauraha, which is the main intersection from where Prime Minister will be crossing. If you talk about this road show right now, as you're speaking, Prime Minister Jagannath is rolling in Varanasi, and in few minutes from now, it will reach here at Gadolia Chauraha, from where the Kashi Vishwanath Dham is barely 200 meters away from this very place. Let me try to show you the majestic view of this main Chauraha and the kind of preparations those have been made here by the workers of Bharatiya Janata Party. You can see how using this saffron cloth, the entire area has been decorated. Several balloons have been used to decorate this, and it is one of the biggest ever grand road show of a Prime Minister, where more than 10 lakh workers of BJP are participating. A couple of minutes back, we also saw the Vedic mantras being chanted here by the people. The Dabrutal of Varanasi was also seen performing, and here the message is being sent out by BJP that it is the place, it is the bastion of Narendra Modi, and the third time he has been, when he has been given the ticket by BJP, he is going to win with a huge margin. So the BJP has set the target of winning of more than 10 lakh of Prime Minister, and that is why we also saw the workers of BJP reached out to each and every house of Varanasi, and they targeted around 10 lakh people, and it seems like the entire Varanasi has come on the streets to welcome their beloved leader, and that is why we are seeing sea of people. There are 90 points those have been set up to welcome Prime Minister, and at all 90 points there will be celebrations, there will be performances being done by artists who have come from different parts of the country. So through this road show, BJP is also trying to show the rich culture of not only Kashi but also of the entire country, because there are the artists who have come from different parts of the country. Now, right behind me, we are again seeing Dabru Dal again performing, and Vedic mantras are being chanted. Prime Minister will be reaching here in few minutes from now, and you see the kind of majestic view here. Prime Minister is being received at each and every point, and here we have another point which has been set up, and Prime Minister will be stepping out of his Jagannath here, and so what we are hearing is that he is likely to walk towards the Kashi Vishwanath Dham from this very point, because security arrangements have been made in accordance to that. So the performance being done here by the students of Sanskrit Vidyalaya, and this shows the kind of preparations that have been done. Now let us also talk about the numbers with which the Prime Minister had last time won. He had won with a margin of around 6 lakh votes. This time the BJP is setting the target of 10 lakh votes for Prime Minister, and BJP is also claiming that there is no competition in front of Prime Minister as far as the constituency of Kashi is concerned. So wherever you will see at this Gadolia Chauraha, you will only find sea of people. The different performances are being done here by different artists. Now we have the people performing. We have 20 from Mantra who are being chanted. So from Shankar
to develop Kashi as the spiritual center of our country, whether it is the Buddhist religion, the Hindu religion, the Jain followers, all along. In fact, the Prime Minister Polami has been bringing foreign guests and heads of state and governments to Kashi to show them. 2014, I had travelled when Prime Minister Narendra Modi had gone to Kyoto in Japan, and he wanted to make Kashi like Kyoto. Has he got any success so that Kashi was also, one, retains the spiritual sense of the city and yet be a modern 21st century city, Polami?
Well, yes, the effort definitely has been in that direction in the time that the Prime Minister has represented Kashi in Parliament as its Member of Parliament, in terms of building the infrastructure, building massive, auditoriums that will showcase the art and culture of Varanasi. They have been built at scale as well over here in Varanasi. I was in the opening at one of those, centers as well, just a few years ago. Then, of course, the development of the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, which was inaugurated in 2021, which basically, cuts through the traffic and, gives you a way from the River Ganga into the Kashi Vishwanath temple. You've been speaking about the Tamil Sangamam as well. The Prime Minister's focus on the population, the Tamil population in Kashi, bringing their culture to the fore in Kashi in terms of how they've amalgamated with the culture of Varanasi as well. That has been a huge effort as well, which all of it, as you pointed out, he has showcased to several, top foreign leaders and diplomats and dignitaries that he's brought to Kashi to showcase, the culture of Varanasi. So yes, the effort has been in that direction. The infrastructure is also being built in that direction. Obviously, there's a lot of work to be done. But in terms of the development of Kashi, as it, in comparison to what it was at the time that the Prime Minister won from this constituency for the first time around in 2014, and now there has been a marked shift and a marked change that you see. Traffic, it was one of the biggest complaints that everyone would make about Varanasi when they would arrive over here. The traffic is an absolute mess. It continues to be a challenge, let me say, even today as I drove around. But you find the roads to be broader. You need to bring that sense among the people in terms of, how they drive and, traffic rules and management as well. All of that is an effort and work in progress.